Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we want to talk about a very specific side hustle that is actually very easy to start even if you're young, have no money and no experience. This is for you. It is called affiliate marketing on Pinterest and it basically uses the power of social media where anyone can build an audience for free. Okay, so you may ask, what is affiliate marketing? And it's actually quite easy and straightforward. So, affiliate marketing means that you promote a brand's product or services with a specific link that you're given. And if someone clicks on your specific link and signs up, then you get a commission for it as a reward for bringing new customers. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to pick a niche. We believe that you should always pick something that you're actually interested in. Maybe it's cooking, maybe fitness, finance, or pets. Just pick whatever you like and stick with it. If you pick finance, for example, and you don't actually enjoy the topic, the chances are very high that you won't be able to stay consistent with this side hustle and you will just quit after a few days. So you should always pick something that you are actually interested in.
So, point number 2, create your Pinterest business account and logo. First, you gotta find a name that fits your niche. If you need some help with that, just use an online username generator to get some inspiration. Now to the most important thing, you should totally create a unique logo to separate yourself from the other accounts. We like to use Canva because it's super user-friendly and it makes the artistic part in getting the inspiration that you need so much easier. If you use our link in the description, you can get Canva Pro for 30 days to try and see for yourself all the benefits that come with it. Okay, let us have a little example. Here we want to create a design, a logo of course. We then try to find something fitness related. Yeah, that one looks good. We're gonna scroll through a little bit so that you can see some more. So if you watch closely, you can see that it's really simple. You can play around with it, change the colors, the sizes, you can do whatever you want basically, and it's really straightforward and super easy to use. So we can totally recommend Canva.
Okay, the next thing to do is to create a link tree or a beacons page. These are basically just apps that help you organize all of your affiliate links in one place. Okay, let's go. It's actually very simple. You just head over to Beacons and create your account. There you will have a few options to personalize your link page. You can add your own profile pic or logo, choose your picture shape, and add any text that you like to your bio. It's even possible to adjust the picture size if you want. And if you're a business owner, you can add all your other socials like your email, YouTube or Instagram, and they will show up as these little icons. Okay, then to the most important part, which is actually adding your affiliate links to your Beacons page. You just add a headline as a call to action. You add the title so the people actually know what they're clicking on. And then you add the affiliate link. Okay, if you have added all the links you want to promote, you only have to add your Beacons link to your Pinterest bio. And from there on, every time somebody clicks the link in your bio, they will have the option to click on all of your affiliate links. Okay, now I'm sure that you're probably curious to find out how to get an affiliate link from a brand. You can apply to become a partner on different affiliate platforms like Impact.com, Digistore24 and Awin. That said, some brands do expect that you have some kind of audience already, but others don't have any starting requirements. So please don't get discouraged by that. Okay, now, so as you can see here on Digistore24, there's like a ton of different niches that you can pick from. For the sake of this video, we decided to pick the fitness niche. And as you can see, the platform offers different meal plans, fitness courses, recipe books, etc. for this niche. You can pick whatever you like, then click on Promote Now, And then you already have your affiliate link that you can copy to your Beacons page. Now, every time somebody buys this keto meal plan through your link, you will get paid. And that's basically the whole concept of affiliate marketing.
Our next point is the actual affiliate marketing that you would have to do on Pinterest. We made a Pinterest account just to show you an example, and the most important thing to post are these idea pins. You basically just repost viral videos from TikTok, but it's really important to credit the owner of the actual video. So that's how the process looks like. First, we gotta find something on TikTok that we want to post. Here I am looking for something fitness related, of course. And if you found something you like, you just click on copy link and head over to snaptik.app. You ask why? Because it lets you download the video from TikTok without any watermarks. The next step is to create your actual post on interest. You just go to create idea pin, and then you can drag the video you just downloaded from Snaptik in here and upload it. The last step is to fill out the basics. Give your video a title, use some good keywords, and most importantly, don't forget to give credit to the actual owner. As to the consistency, you should post at least one video a day. And I mean, this is really crucial. You have to be committed to consistently uploading new content. To maximize your growth, we actually recommend to go for 3 videos a day. I know it sounds like a lot, and it is, but if you really want to grow, that's the way to go. Work hard, play hard, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
If you liked this video, you should watch our video about how to make passive income with Etsy too.
See you next time.